Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It is showcasing the Sweet Talk Suite, which is coming out and going live tomorrow, the 4th of January. How very exciting. And in here, so in the UK, we have things called love hearts, which are adorable sweets. Let me get one for you. So these are love hearts. These are a big packet, and then we have smaller ones, and they are round sweeties with words on them that look much like this. Oh, I can't get it to focus, but they look like that, so they're lovely. And I believe in America and Canada, you have a sweetie called Conversation Hearts, which are heart-shaped, so the same but slightly different. But over here in the UK, Swizzles, who makes Love Hearts, does other product as well that goes along with it. So this is a Love Hearts candle, and it smells divine. I can't get it open. Oh, it smells lovely. It's strawberry scented. So this is a tin candle, and it's a kind of fairly standard size candle. It's coming in at 4.5 centimetres by about 8 centimetres. So we're talking a shade under 2 inches by a little over 3 inches. So kind of standard tin candle size. They make other things as well. I might well be showing them to you shortly. And so, I need to keep that out. I wanted to make a little box to package my tin candle, so I made this for you, and it slips inside. I can't get it to get there. We go. Slips inside, a little ribbon around it, and I want to show you how to make it. And like I say, Love Hearts are divine. In America, I believe you have another sweet called Smarties, which is not the same as the Nestle Smarties. Our Smarties are a bit like your M&Ms, and your Smarties are like similar sort of texture to our Swizzles, Swizzles sweets. Anyway, it's complicated, but you know what I'm talking about. Right. Need a piece of paper that is 6 by 12 inches, 15 by 30, actually 14.5 by 30.5 centimetres. Don't worry about writing anything down. It's all going to be on my blog. Click open the description bar below this video if you're watching here on YouTube, and you will see a hyperlink that will take you directly to this project, and everything is there. Okay, so on the short side of your paper, score it at 1.5 inches and 4.5, which is 3.5 centimetres and 11 centimetres. And on the long side, score it at 4.5 and 7.5. Yep, that's right, which is 11.5 and 19 centimetres. Oh, it's always good when one questions oneself. And although this paper doesn't have the Love Hearts on it, but this one did, you know, there's other papers that are in. There's just all sorts. And I thought, I want to go with that one. And actually, I have in the past bought lollipops that look just like these ones. So the lovely glazed boiled sweetie, that's the red heart with the stick, and I've bought those in the past and actually used them as customer thank you gifts in the past. Might do that again this year. Okay, so what I've done is I've set it so that this will fit inside like that. That's why I've made it this measurement. So like I say, this is a pretty standard tin candle size. So even if you can't get Love Hearts, you can get other similars. Right, so I need to get some score lines going into this bit. So not in this rectangle across the middle, this bit here. And I find it easiest to fold it over, and then I just pick up, and I'm going to get this score line here to lie flat along there. And you do that. I'm going to try and do this in the air by going like that. Okay, so that's what I've done, so it lines up. Make it as close to perfect as you can, but you know, we're talking handmade here, so don't stress it if it's a millimetre or two out. Okay, whoopsie. And just keep doing the same all the way around. Okay, now this is a standard baggie, so if you don't want to have it folding over like I've done, you could just do it like that. You could put You could tie the ribbon there, but I kind of wanted to make it a bit more box-like. And to do that, we need this to slip inside there. But it's the same width. So on one side, one end only, grab some adhesive and fold it over. Okay? You don't do it on the other side because that's where it's going to tuck inside. Now, it's still too wide here because this width is exactly the same as that. We need to shave it down a teeny tiny little bit. So that's kind of how much you're taking off. Not very much at all. And which side did I cut? I can't see. I cut that side. So do the same on the other side. So I'm just looking to see roughly how far to take it down. Okay, and just double check that it's going to slip inside without any issues. Yep, that's going to pop inside without issue. So candle inside, or whatever it is you've put in there, and slip it over. Fabulous. Right, so shall I use real red ribbon or not? Because I'm not going to, I'm going to use real red ribbon. And I'm going to tie off a little bow at the top. This, I don't know if this, yes, this is part of the same suite. This is called sheer ribbon. It's not very sheer, but it's more, I'm going to say almost muslin. Yeah, it's not super sheer, as in, you know, you can kind of see. Is it called sheer ribbon? No, it's called faux linen ribbon. That's why I can't see it through it. It's nearly there. Right. Okay. I want to do a little bit of cutting out here. And I had thought I was going to put these on to match this. But I'm wondering at using some real red that I don't have a scrap of and some petal pink. I don't have scraps of either of that. Okay, we'll just stick with my original plan. So I've got these, and I've got a little piece. I had a little piece of Whisper White. I've still got it. It might be a little too small. So, Sweet Conversations is the stamp set. It's photopolymer, so that you can see what you're doing, and Sweetheart dies. What am I going to say on this one? I'm going to say text me on this one, I think. So I'll have that one and this one. A couple of blocks. Yeah, that's not going to fit on that. I'll have this bit and I'll just tack it down a little. So I haven't worked with this yet enough to establish whether I should be coming in with the outline or the inside first. So I'm going to try the solid first and then overlay it with the words. So that was Highland Heather for the solid, and then I want the darker Gorgeous Grape to go over the top. That worked. We'll do that then. And then, oh, I want my dies. So I want a little envelope shape. I want the die that will go around that, and then I'm just going to grab a string of hearts so that I can die cut 3 in one go. Getting these all set up, so I've got more washi tape. stickify that on me. I'm going to get my little mini cut and emboss. So base plate number 1, clear plate number 2. And start lining all of these up. It's probably gone off camera. You maybe can't see it. I hope you can. I see. This is me trying to do too much all in one go. Let's just, you know, slow down a little, Sam, and get this done faster in the long term. I can't get hold of it. I'm still quite wary of my wrist injury that came a little while ago. You see that? That one's going to slip as well. Yeah, my wrist injury, so I'm a little conscious of that. So I'm trying to avoid doing much die cutting where I can help it. No good for a crafter who enjoys die cutting. Why does my machine not want to play the game today? Oh, it's because it's really badly lined up. What's going on? Should we just give up on that? There we go. Right. Oof. So, oh, it miscut one of the hearts. Well, we'll cover that up somehow. I didn't want the outline, so I need to keep hold of those two and pop them in here. And put that one in there, and then just really finish off assembling. So, I've got my little Highland Heather envelope, which is super cute, isn't it? So, fold up the bottom, and I'm going to grab a mini glue dot, and then fold side one over and the other. I'm going to get my Text Me heart and pop a couple on the back of that, and just pop it inside enough that you can see that it's an envelope, but also leave it open enough that you can read the words. And then obviously I messed that one up, so I'm just going to use 2 of them onto there, and I'm going to use slightly stronger adhesive. Just wibble my bow around a little bit. There we go, and pop that under there. And with the original one, and I'll get the bow back on there, which I can't do right now, so we'll just have to pretend. Cute little gift. At least I think it's quite cute. I hope you like it. It's nice, simple to make. Yeah. Thumbs up to love hearts. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to see you very soon. Bye.